Breaking patterns of pain through forgiveness and hope. Today we reflect on a painful truth. Many of the problems in the Philippines are not isolated events. They are repeating cycles passed from one generation to another. Corruption leads to suffering. Suffering leads to anger. Anger leads to hatred and revenge. Then the cycle begins again. The same pattern appears in families, communities, and even churches. Hurt is ignored. Truth is silenced. Bitterness grows. What is not healed is repeated. God calls His people to break the cycle, not by violence or revenge, but through forgiveness and hope. Forgiveness does not mean excusing injustice or forgetting what is wrong. Forgiveness means refusing to let anger and bitterness rule our hearts. When we forgive, we release ourselves from the chains of hatred. Forgiveness stops the spread of pain. Hope is not pretending that everything is fine. Hope is choosing to believe that God can still redeem what is broken. Hope allows us to pray again, serve again, and love again, even after disappointment. Healing begins when Christians choose humility instead of pride, prayer instead of rage, truth instead of gossip, and faith instead of despair. Healing begins when we allow God to change us first before demanding change from others. If we want our nation to be healed, the cycle must end with us. Forgiveness opens the door. Hope keeps us moving forward. This is where healing truly begins. God bless everyone. You have a good day.